Ito naman po, a 3-year-old little girl, she got meningitis and sepsis. Can you imagine sepsis? Napakatindi niyan. Pero what happened to her? Ginamitan po 2 weeks. 2 weeks using Iteracare. Bumalik po yung health ng bata. Ayan po, smiling at us. O, di ba? Amazing. Plus, ito po. Ito naman, meron siyang thyroid problem. If I'm not mistaken, this is from Singapore, itong lady. Meron siyang thyroid problem. Ginamitan niya po 10 therapy sessions lang. Lumiit po yung thyroid niya. Okay, one of our sponsors also has thyroid problem. Yun rin ang ginawa niya, lumiit rin po yung ano niya, yung nodules niya. At ito naman po si Mike, he is a diabetic. Meron po siyang heart problem. Ginamit po yung product sa kanya. Hindi niya na kasi mataas yung yung isa niyang arm. In less than 15 minutes, actually 15 minutes of blowing lang po. 15 minutes, nagulat siya, 80% ng mobility ng kamay niya, nagalaw niya ulit. Isn't it amazing? This is what happened to Sir Jolaps last night. Kasi na-aksidente po siya. Okay? Para lang alam nyo, na-aksidente po siya sa motor, nahulog siya, hindi niya po maangat yung shoulder niya. As in, pag nag-t-shirt daw siya, hindi niya po maangat yung isa niyang kamay. To his surprise, without him knowing, nung therapy po siya kagabi, meron po siyang pinulot. Sabi niya, nawala yung sakit ha. Alam mo, grabe, tinaas niya yung kamay niya, nagulat siya, natataas niya na. Ganun ka-powerful. And that was less than 10 minutes. Palakpakan naman natin, guys, no? Amazing! Amazing talaga. Alright? And for weight management, para doon sa mga gustong pumayat at talagang dinidream nilang pumayat, this is the product for you. Imagine mo pag nagte-therapy ka, wala kang choice, papayat at liliit ang tiyan mo. Are you excited? Yes? Yes or yes? Ay, nako, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ako po, medyo inaaraw-araw ko na. Okay. Tapos dun sa mga may kakilala po mga skin problems like psoriasis, eczema, ito po, our product can really help. Nakakatuwa po yung mga testimonies with this. Magugulat ka, less than 10 days, less than 2 weeks, 3 weeks, nakatulong po ang Iteracare natin. And ito, dito po matutuwa yung mga mga aspiring natin na gusto pang gumanda lalo. Magaganda na kayo but you want to be more beautiful, use our Iteracare para po as a facial or i-blow nyo po sa mukha nyo. Sobrang ganda. Imagine niyo yung mga discolorations, yung mga spots, yung mga wrinkles. It really improves it. Kaya nagtataka ka ba bakit yung babae kanina na paralyzed? Imagine mo just using the product, bumata siya. It's because of this. So ganyan kaganda yung product natin. Okay? Now, ito naman po, si Ma'am Aida, she's a Filipina. She's actually an influencer as well. Ang nangyari naman sa kanya, nagkaroon siya ng COVID, talagang yung lungs niya, tinamaan. So, there is a chance talaga na nafe-feel niya talaga na she's gonna lose her life. Pero it's a good thing somebody shared the Itera product sa kanya. Ginamit niya po. First session niya lang, 40 minutes of using it. Alright? Gumanda ulit yung paghinga niya. In less than a week, ayan po, she finally recovered 100%. Hindi niya na po kinailangan mag-oxygen tank. Is that amazing? O di ba? Kasi ito naman po, another respiratory problem rin. 5 months, okay? He is suffering from respiratory disease, unknown disease. He was rushed na sa ICU kasi nga medyo delikado na yung buhay niya. Pero it's a good thing that somebody shared the Iteracare product sa kanya. Now, ayan bumalik ulit yung katawan niya, bumalik ulit yung pangangatawan niya. 100%, he is recovered and well. Palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. O, di ba? Amazing. Plus, ito naman po, while I was reading this, I was so surprised breast cancer. Ang nangyari po in less than 22 days, 30% ng bukol or yung lump lumiit and 90% ng pain nawala. Ganyan ka-powerful yung product. Amazing.